Hey everyone, Lee here. Today I'm going to show you how to insert a pause into a 3D print using Bambu Studio. Perfect if you want to swap filament or make adjustments mid-print. Let's dive in. First, open up Bambu Studio and load your model. Set up your print as usual with all the settings you need. Once ready, switch to the Preview tab and slice the model. Next, focus on the Layer slider in the top right corner of the preview. This lets you scroll through the print layer by layer. I like to rotate the model so I can clearly see how the layers build from bottom to top. Decide exactly where you want to pause. For example, you might want to change the filament for a different colour or insert some other feature mid-print. Move the slider to that layer where the pause should occur. Once you've found the right layer, right-click the plus button near the layer slider and select Add Pause. This will insert a pause command into your G code. After adding the pause, you'll need to click Slice Plate again in the top right hand corner so Bambu Studio reslices your model and incorporates the pause. Now when you move the layer slider back up to the top, you'll see exactly where the pause occurs in the print. That's it. The printer will stop at that layer during printing, allowing you to make changes or swap filament. And that's how you add a pause in Bambu Studio. If you have any questions or run into issues, leave a comment. I love helping out fellow 3D printer enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.